Hi, my name is Ricki. I have worked for Rustic and Main for about 4.5 years now. I've watched lots of people get rings, tell their story. I've thought about what kind of ring I wanted all these years. I've seen them all come through because I work in shipping and receiving, so I basically see or touch almost every ring that goes out of the shop. I have 5 kids that we raised on 5 acres of land. One of the things I remember the most about those years was looking out my front window and seeing my kids climbing this dogwood tree. I just thought, oh gosh, I love that tree so much. And then after, I think we were there for 18 years. We lived there for 18 years and we had to sell the property and the house. And when we did, it was just kind of heartbreaking because that's our story. I raised my family there, and I don't know, the tree's very meaningful. I asked the new owner if I could have a branch of that tree, and they said absolutely. And then a few months later, the tree bloomed, and I asked somebody else that's on the property if they could pick up a branch with the flowers in bloom. And so I was waiting for them to dry out, and I brought the branch to the shop, and I just kind of shared the idea, and I talked it over with some of the craftspeople there. And then Cassie cheerfully offered to create the ring for me. So, I love her to death. We just talk freely and openly. She's young, but she's wise, and she's a master craftsman. She loves doing this. I'm excited. I've been looking forward to seeing this ring since we started talking about it.
Are you ready to see your ring?
Yeah, I'm ready to see my ring. I've been waiting to see my ring for months now.
Okay, walk around there.
Okay, walk around. Let me see you. I'm very excited. Oh, I get the box.
Yes.
Box. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. Wow. Wow, it's perfect. I get goosebumps, it's so perfect. Oh my gosh. I think it's more than what I thought I was gonna get, more than I could have asked for. It's beautiful, oh my gosh. So neat, it has that little, like a knot or something that showed up from the wood still is in there too. Oh, I love it. I love it. I can't wait to show everybody. Thank you guys.